Hello, this is Rupandeep Kaur. My student ID is 10294353. Now I'm going to explain the steps that are being followed to install and to work in the Steghide. Firstly, we need to open the folder where we need to hide the image. So for that I use CD downloads, and after that I need to create a text file which is created by using touch command, and then echo command is used to fill data in it. After this we will check what is present in this by ls command. To embed the image we use the Steghide embed command. For that we need to enter the passphrase, that is then embedding is completed. After this we need to extract the image by adding the command Steghide extract -sf.jpg. The format should be in JPG of the image. Now we need to enter the paraphrase to extract the file. Sorry. You can again do this. Now press Y to extract. Now the image is being extracted. In this way we can extract the Steghide embedded image. Thank you.